So there's a few different projects that. So for example, there's one that I actually like quite a lot, and that it was about creating a system. Imagine like Google Photos, but instead of just scrolling through your images or typing like cat, dog, or something, and you get images of that, that you can talk to it, that you can ask what sort of information you want. If you want pictures, I don't know, with you, with your husband in Italy drinking wine or something like that, you can write it like that, like a sentence, like you would ask someone that is actually searching for you, and then you start to see it. And this is kind of the things you can do, because like you extract the information from the images and then you can compare it to the text input that the user gives you. And what we were using in that particular project was simply to see the engagement of the users, because at the end of the day, it's not only about money. It's also seeing how they are engaged, and that's going to make sure that they come back to your platform. They're gonna stay there in the long run, and they're gonna pretty much find the utility of it. And what we've seen is that since that point that we integrated that capability, that there has been like a massive spike in terms of like using the the app, just because like it has something that's quite cool. Like you get to search in your images by natural language, so you don't need to actually scroll for minutes and minutes just to make sure that you find some picture that you don't even remember when you took it or what was exactly there. Like any description does the trick, and that was very useful. And again, like, to be fair, it was not only engagement, because it had other sort of features that it had integrated with it, like buying things and stuff like that. So what I mean is, like, when the client was more interested in the engagement because they knew that the sales would come afterwards. So it was interesting to see that we could increase one and increase the profit as a consequence.